Hey, welcome back. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite BBQ Smokers. The recipe I'm going to share with you today is something we've all grown up having. Mom and Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, everybody's always cooked us some bologna sandwiches. And so we went to the local grocery store, we found this here bologna log here. So we're going to take this here, we're going to smoke it on Recteq 1250, add some seasoning to it. So we can get that good smoke ring, that good color to it. That's what we're looking for. So we're going to smoke this bad boy up. So the rubs we use today for our smoked bologna, we're actually going to let it ride. It's got a good balanced flavor to it. I think it's good well with this and give some good color to it. That's what we got. So let's get it prepping so we can get it cooking. So the pellets we're using today is 100% royal oak charcoal pellets. They burn hot, they burn clean, they got to add a good charcoal flavor to something other. But we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy here up and start slicing this out so we can get some good bark around it. So that's what we're looking for. Kind of just take it and slice it so we can make that happen. So I'm going to come right here about a ½ inch down, slice it. And then I can take the packaging off. And that's will be my start point. So our start point right here was here. You can see our line right here. There's a start point. So I'm gonna come here about another inch. I'm gonna do another one. If you notice right here, every time I do it, I'm using the last slice I had up. That way I can kind of keep them uniform. It ain't gotta be exact, but it's just something other good to keep it that way. Now once I've gotten that, you can twist a little bit and you can see your lines. See where it's at. So you make sure you got all of them, all the slices you want done. Okay? Now I'm gonna come right here in the middle, put me a little mark right here, and then roll it back. Do the same thing on the other side. Start right here, do the same thing on this side. Then I'm gonna come on the other end, do the same thing right here. If you notice here, I'm only going about a ½ inch thick. I'm just going the width of my blade in here. That's all I'm trying to do is just get enough in here to mark them down. So now, we've got that sliced open, got little pieces on it. Now I'm gonna come around on top of it and start putting our rub on it. Rub, and rub it in a little bit. Now I'm gonna take it and twist a little bit and keep rubbing it in. So now we've got our bologna here. We've got all the rub on it. We can keep adding more if you want to. You can add less. It really doesn't matter. It's just totally up to you. We got enough rub on this one. We're gonna let it rest a little bit while the Recteq 1250 come up to temperature. Hey, so you just notice we put our bologna on Recteq 1250 right here. So we're gonna let it cook in there till we get a good color in there. We're looking for it to penetrate the temperature all the way down into it. And what it's gonna do is create a really good bark in there. All those slices we have can kind of just blow up, have a little checkerboard pattern. So stick around, back in a little while, keep you updated. So our bologna's been on Recteq 1250 for about 3 hours. About an hour and a half into it, we'll run up to 300 degrees. Then we dialed it back down to 250 degrees, went the next hour and a half into it. We just probed it just a second ago and run about 180 degrees. So we pour them bad boys off, put it on plate, let it calm down a little while. So let's get off the grill. We just took it off the grill right here. We're gonna let it rest. Let's go and probe it real quick, see where we at. I'm going right down to the heart of it. We're 175 degrees here. Go on this side of it here, 177. So we've got it kind of warmed up, really nice like we're looking for. We're gonna let it calm down a little while. We're gonna slice this bad boy up, and we're gonna taste it. It's gonna be good. So stick around, be back in a few minutes. Hey, so our bologna's been resting about 10 minutes right here. It's kind of calmed down temperature here. We'll come here and cut it right in half. You see the smoke ring. See that smoke ring right there? Kind of a dead, dug down into it. The longer you smoke it, the thicker it's gonna get. As you see, we took a bologna, we took it out of packaging, we sliced the serrations in it, therefore it turn out, gives us like little burn in type pieces. We put a Let It Ride rub on it, that we can kind of get a good flavor going into it. Nice little good thick slice right here. Cut it in half. That's good. You feel that smoke and that rub kind of dug down into it. Good little crunchy barking outside of it. Tell you, man, can't beat that right there. You can just see it right there. That's good. Man, put that on a piece of white bread. A little bit of mayonnaise. Man, what you talking about? Hey, thank y'all for watching our videos. We greatly appreciate it, really do. If you have any questions, comments, leave a comment section down below. If you can, subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell, that can notify you new videos coming out. They come out on a weekly basis. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and don't forget TikTok. I would greatly appreciate that. If you have any questions, like I said, leave them down below. We'll respond as promptly as possible. So we're gonna go inside making some sandwiches, eat some lunch. Before we do that, we gotta let Dolly try it. Dolly, you ready? Come here. Come on. You ready for this, girl? I'll give you a big piece. But Dolly liked it. If Dolly liked it, I reckon you will too. Let's say the blessing. Let's go eat lunch. Lord, bless food by our seed. Just ain't pray. Amen. Again, thank y'all for watching our videos. We greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, let us know. See you next time.